Hello students, today I am going to discuss Cambridge IGCSE Chemistry October-November 2023 paper 21 question 21 to 40. Number 21, which statements about the metal zinc are correct? 2, 3, 4 is the right answer. C is the right answer. So 2, 3, 4 are correct answer. Why? Zinc metal, about zinc. It is used to galvanize steel. Yes, as galvanizing metal, zinc is used. Layer of zinc is given. 3. It is used to make alloy brass. Yes, brass is alloy of copper plus zinc. So zinc is used to make alloy. And 4. It reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid to produce hydrogen gas. Yes, zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid to produce zinc chloride plus hydrogen. Zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid, HCl, hydrochloric acid, to produce zinc chloride plus hydrogen. Zinc chloride plus hydrogen. So 2, 3, 4 are correct answer. That's why C is the correct answer. 1 is wrong. Why? 1 is not correct. It is extracted from the ore bauxite. No, from bauxite aluminum metal is extracted, not zinc. Now number 22, the electronic configuration of 4 elements P, Q, R and S are shown, and which elements are unreactive monoatomic gas, means noble gas, and this P, helium, monoatomic and unreactive. Also S, because outer shell has 8 electrons, so group 8 element means noble gas. Noble gas are unreactive and monoatomic. So 2 helium and 210 P and S, neon, helium and neon, these are monoatomic and unreactive, I mean noble gases. Q, group 2, so this is not unreactive, and R is group 6 because outer shell has 6 electron, and Q, outer shell has 2 electrons, so group 2 and group 6. Then 23, which row compares the strength of alloy with pure metal and explain the difference in strength? And alloy is the stronger, so answer is C or D. D is the correct answer. This part also true, but explanation why D is the correct answer. D is correct answer. Layers atoms make it harder for layers to slide over one another. So alloy is harder than pure metal because as alloy atoms are different in size, which make it harder to slide over one another. So D is the correct answer. Why C is wrong? Stronger is true, but layer atoms slide more easily. No, not more easily, because atoms are different in size, though, so they cannot slide easily. Sliding is become harder. That's why alloy are stronger. Next 24. Zinc oxide reacts with carbon to produce zinc. Which equation represents this reaction? C is the correct answer. Zinc oxide reacts with zinc oxide reacts with carbon to produce zinc and carbon monoxide. Here zinc oxide is reduced by carbon. Zinc oxide reduced to zinc because oxygen is lost. Carbon is oxidized to carbon monoxide because oxygen is added. So C is the correct answer. And why A is wrong? This zinc oxide, zinc, carbon monoxide, yes, this two oxygen, but here one oxygen right hand side, left hand side two oxygen, so this is not correct equation. And zinc oxide reacts with carbon to produce zinc and carbon dioxide. Here one oxygen, here 2 to the 4 oxygens, so this is not correct. Correct answer is C. When a pitch of aluminum foil is added to dilute hydrochloric acid, no effervescence is seen. Aluminum foil is added, so when it is added to hydrochloric acid, hydrogen gas is produced and effervescence should be seen. But here question is asking no effervescence is seen. That means aluminum does not react with dilute hydrochloric acid. Why? This is the B is the correct answer. Aluminum has a surface layer of aluminum oxide. Aluminum reacts with oxygen to produce aluminum oxide. Aluminum oxide is a surface layer on aluminum, so it is a strong layer. That's why aluminum foil does not react with dilute hydrochloric acid. B is the correct answer. Now A is wrong. Why? Aluminum does not make a gas when it reacts with an acid. This is wrong. Aluminum is less reactive than hydrogen. No. Aluminum only reacts with constant hydrochloric acid. No. It's wrong. Only B is the correct answer. Next. (26) Iron nails are stored in an airtight container. These iron nails, air, lid. The nails begin to rust after a few days. How can the rusting of the nails be prevented? How nails contains water vapor and oxygen. That's why iron nails is rust. So replace the air with argon. Argon is an unreactive gas, so rusting will be prevented. Next, 27. 4 substances present in the blast furnace during the iron extraction are listed: calcium carbonate, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, iron trioxide. So which substance are both a reactant and a product during the reaction occurring in the blast furnace? Now answer is C, 2 and 3. Carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. Because why these are reactants and products? Because, and you know, first in blast furnace, carbon reacts with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide. This is the first step. So here carbon dioxide is a product. Again, second step, carbon dioxide is reduced by carbon to produce carbon monoxide. So first reaction, carbon dioxide is a product. Second reaction, carbon dioxide is a reactant. So this carbon dioxide is the answer. Then why carbon monoxide? Because second reaction, carbon monoxide is the product, and this carbon monoxide reduces iron 3 oxide to molten iron plus carbon dioxide. Molten iron plus carbon dioxide. So here carbon monoxide is reactant, but this carbon monoxide is product. So carbon monoxide used as reactant and product. That's why answer is the 2 and 3. But 1, why not calcium carbonate? Because calcium carbonate only used as reactant, not product. And 4, why not 4? Because iron 3 oxide is used as reactant, not product. Next one, aluminum is extracted from purified bauxite by electrolysis. Which row shows the ionic half equations for the reaction at each electrode? And you know, aluminum oxide break down to form aluminum 3 plus ion and oxide ion. So you know, at the cathode reaction occur, aluminum ion gains 3 electron, plus means gains, to form molten aluminum. This is reduction reaction occur at the cathode. And you know, at the anode, oxide ion lose 4 electron to form oxygen gas. This is oxidation reaction, as oxide ion lose electron. Next, number 29. Which test is used to show that a sample of water is pure? So B is the correct answer. Heat the water to check its boiling point, because boiling point, if water is a pure, water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. So by boiling point determination, you can detect that water is a pure. But why is wrong? Evaporate the water to see if any solids remain. No. C, test with anhydrous cobalt to chloride. No, this is the test for presence of water. So it can only ensure the presence of water but not pure water. And D, use universal indicator paper to check its pH. No, you can use universal indicator to check the pH, what is the pH of water, but not pure water, you can't detect it. Next, catalytic converters in car exhaust change polluting gases into non-polluting gases. Catalytic converter converts polluting gases to non-polluting gases. Which statement about oxide of nitrogen and car engines are correct? 2 and 3 is the correct. The oxygen in the oxide of nitrogen come from the air. Nitrogen reacts with oxygen to produce nitrogen monoxide or nitrogen dioxide. That oxygen come from the air in the car engine. 2 is the correct. And 3, catalytic converters convert oxide of nitrogen into nitrogen. Nitrogen oxide reacts with carbon monoxide to form nitrogen plus carbon dioxide. So nitrogen monoxide is a harmful gas, nitrogen is harmless gas. So catalytic converter converts nitrogen oxide into nitrogen. 2 and 3 as the correct answer. So answer is the B. Why A is wrong? The nitrogen in oxide of nitrogen comes from the compounds in gasoline. No, this is the wrong. Now number 31, the structure of two molecules X and Y are shown. X, this is alkene, Y also alkene, and this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 alkene. Heptene, here 1 2 3 4 5 6 carbon, hexene. So which row describe X and Y? Answer is B. Structural isomers, no, because their molecular formula is not same. Molecular formula is different. One contains 7 carbon, others 6 carbon. Belong to the same homologous series, yes, because both are alkene. They contains carbon carbon double bond, carbon carbon double bond, so they are alkene, same homologous series. 32. Now number 32, what is the structure of butanoic acid? And you know butanoic acid 4 carbon, this is 1 2 3 carbon, this is propanoic acid, and this is D is the correct answer, butanoic acid. This is the carboxylic acid functional group, COOH. So 1 2 3 4, so 4 carbon containing carboxylic acid is butanoic acid. Next, and why not A? A is the propanol, alcohol, B also alcohol, butanol. Next, 33, when a mixture of methane and chlorine is exposed to ultraviolet light, a reaction takes place. Which statements about the reaction is correct? 2 and 4 is the correct answer. Why? The ultraviolet light provides the activation energy. True, yes. To occur a reaction, the reacting molecule gets energy from ultraviolet light. So 2 is the correct answer. The ultraviolet light provides the activation energy to react. And 4, methyl chloride or chloromethane is made in this reaction. Yes, when methane reacts with chlorine, one hydrogen is replaced by chlorine, chloromethane or methyl chloride plus hydrogen chloride is formed. So 2 and 4 is the correct answer, answer D. Why? 1 is wrong, it is an addition reaction, no, it is substitution reaction. And 3 is wrong. Why? An equation for the reaction is this, no, not this reaction, hydrogen is not prepared, and this is wrong. Here 1 hydrogen will be replaced by 1 chlorine atom. So answer is D, 2 and 4 correct answer. Next, 34, esters are formed when a carboxylic acid reacts with alcohol. You know, carboxylic acid reacts with alcohol in presence of sulfuric acid catalyst to produce ester and water. What is the catalyst for this reaction? You know, sulfuric acid is used here, catalyst, when carboxylic acid reacts with alcohol to produce ester and water. A is wrong, aqueous potassium permanganate, no, not iron. Iron catalyst is used to manufacture of ammonia from nitrogen and hydrogen. And you also know vanadium 5 oxide catalyst is used in contact process for the manufacture of sulfuric acid. So here for the manufacture of sulfuric acid, but here esters sulfuric acid is used as catalyst. Next, 35, the diagram show part of the polymer. This is addition polymer, you know, and which diagram shows the monomer from which this polymer is made. And you know, this 1 repeat unit, 2 repeat unit, 3, here 4 repeat unit, and one repeat unit contains 2 carbon, that means it is ethene. So here C is the correct answer, ethene. From ethene this polymer will be made polyethene, but here methane, it will not form. Alkane is not used to make polymer. This also alkane, alcohol, so is wrong answer. Here as polyethene, ethene molecule is needed to make this polymer. Next, nylon and PET are polymers. PET is the chemical name of polyester. So both are condensation polymers. Which statement about these polymers are correct? And you one, they are both condensation polymer. Yes. So C is the correct answer, only one. Propanediol could be a monomer for both polymers. No. See, the complete combustion of both polymers give 2 products only. No. Only addition polymer produces 2 products, carbon dioxide and water. So condensation polymer produce not only 2 products, many products can be formed. 3.7, ethane is used as a fuel. So which equation shows the complete combustion of ethane? And ethane reacts with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water, complete combustion. So A is the correct answer. B is wrong. Why? Because carbon monoxide is produced in complete combustion. And this is ethene, this wrong, this ethene also wrong. So question is asking ethane, C2H6. A is the correct answer. Next, 38. The painkiller paracetamol is synthesized from 4-aminophenol. Chromatography is done on an impure sample paracetamol. The results are shown. The diagram is not drawn to scale. So here baseline S and P. S is the impure sample of paracetamol and P is the pure sample, paracetamol. So the sample of paracetamol is contaminated with 4-aminophenol only. What is the RF value of 4-aminophenol? So you see, answer is the C, 0.74. How you get it? C is the correct answer. So this is pure, P is pure, so this also pure. Impure is this new spot is found and its value is 2.60. Baseline to impure sample distance 2.60 divided by baseline to solvent point from this to this 3.5 divided by 3.5. So if you calculate, you get 0.74. RF value will be 0.74. Next, (39). The equation for the reaction of aqueous calcium nitrate and aqueous sodium hydroxide is shown. Calcium nitrate reacts with sodium hydroxide to produce calcium hydroxide and sodium nitrate solution. This aqueous means soluble, this is solid. So you're asking which process is used to remove calcium hydroxide from the mixture. Filtration is needed. So answer will be filtration. By filtration, you can remove solid calcium hydroxide from this mixture. Is used to separate substance. Crystallization not, distillation no need. Answer is filtration. Now 40. The result of two tests on aqueous compound X are given. Test result: warm with aluminum foil and aqueous sodium hydroxide. Aluminum foil and aqueous sodium hydroxide. If ammonia gas is produced, this is the test for nitrate ion and nitrate ion. And you know, nitrate ion test any nitrate compound to a sodium nitrate or potassium nitrate. If you add aluminum foil and sodium hydroxide, ammonia gas is produced which turns damp red litmus paper to blue. So this is the nitrate ion test. So X content, anion is nitrate now. Then aqueous sodium hydroxide, if you add, brown precipitate. And you know, iron 3 ion reacts with sodium hydroxide to produce iron 3 hydroxide brown precipitate. Iron 3 hydroxide brown precipitate. Iron 3 hydroxide is brown. So here cation is iron 3, anion is nitrate, X will be iron 3 nitrate. Iron 3 nitrate, answer will be A, iron 3 nitrate. Thank you, dear students.